Hi, my name is Min, and today we will be unboxing the Juniper EX4400 48-port multi-gigabit PoE switch. For more information, check out the library at ainetworking.club, and please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content.
The EX4400-48MP multi-gigabit PoE++ switch is an AI-native, cloud-ready access switching platform with advanced security for high-performance campus deployments. Let's get straight to the unboxing. On the side, there is a bag with peripherals, which we'll get to later. There is nothing else in the box. First, let's have a closer look at the switch. On the front, you will find 36 multi-gigabit ports that are capable of supporting up to 2.5 gig data rate, and 12 multi-gigabit ports that can support up to 10 gig rates. All the ports are 802.3 BT compliant and capable of delivering up to 90 watts per port, with a theoretical maximum PoE budget of 2,200 watts. In the right corner, there is a USB Type-C console port. You will need a USB Type-C console cable in order to use it. Next to it is the LED status lights and factory reset/mode selector button. Below that is the extension module slot that supports 10, 25, and 100 gig extension modules. At the back of the switch, you will find the Ethernet console port, followed by the dedicated out-of-band management port, USB auxiliary port, and the reset button. You will need a pin to access it in case you ever need to use it. Here is the claim code and a QR code. You can use the claim code to manually claim the switch in the Juniper Mist dashboard, or you can claim the switch using the Mist AI mobile app by scanning the QR code. Next to it are the protective earthing terminals, two 100 gig QSFP28 stacking ports, two fan modules, a 1600 watt AC power supply, and an empty slot for additional power supply. The EX4400-48MP Ethernet switch offers a full suite of Layer 2 and Layer 3 capabilities. Layer 3 features can be enabled with perpetual or subscription licenses. Inside the bag, there is a startup guide, a country-specific power cord, a power cord retainer clip, a RJ45 to COM console cable, and a 19-inch rack mount kit. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at ainetworking.club, and please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.